Hi, this is Birdie flying in. I wanted to show you on this project, finished project, all the areas that I made changes to, particularly in adding A-B drills. And I've got 20 colors of A-B drills. If you don't know what A-B drills are, they're very extra sparkly. This kit came with 4 A-B drills colors. And you see this, that's really extra shiny. I don't know if you can see it on there. I've got a cat on my arm right now. What's that? Huh? Huh, Sammy? Anyways, he's been climbing all over me. He's looking too. This is what you're pointing at. What you pointing at? Well, anyways, to continue, most of the changes I've made in the bookcase. All the books were all plain colors. This one was red, and this one, there was no A-B drills whatsoever in the bookcase. Oh, okay. No, don't want him to get scratching on that. And I added some over here. It's a lamp. And this color, yellow, was really bad. It was a really bright yellow like this. And it really made it look like it was pee on the couch, which, you know, cats do. But I wanted to render that a little bit lighter so it looked like the lamp shade is glowing. And what else did I do? This cat was all this color right here, this really kind of like ivory color, but I changed some of it into the white A-B drill. I added some to her glasses, and I added some here, this, and I just did it as like a highlight. I didn't do the entire book binder one color. I just added, see, they were all like this, and I added the extra oomph. And for the scarf, I had some A-B white round drills, so I added those there. And I changed the putty paw, which is one of my favorite parts of this canvas, sticking out, to a pink. It was a kind of like a really bad looking red. So I added that pink there. The flowers there, I added some sparkle. So yeah, that was fun. That was fun to add your own little touch to it. And I think that's all. But it was fun. Anyways, I wanted to show you that. And don't be afraid to make changes to your canvas to add A-B drills or change a color. I have more videos on that. As I change any canvas, I will do a video and show you what I did. But anyways, I wanted to show you, and mission accomplished. And where did Sammy go? All right, this is Birdie flying off. No, don't you dare. He wants to jump on my shoulder. I'm trying to make a video. Okay? Sammy? No.